So for how to say how are you in Irish, there's 3 different forms. There's this one, Caje Maratatu, which is mostly used in Ulster. There is the second one here, Conasatatu, which is more Munster, Dublin, Cork, that sort of region. And the third one here is Ken He a Will To, which is most used in Galway, Connacht, Mayo, that sort of area. Okay, Cajimar Atatu. 2 is the singular for you. If you're going to ask more than one person, how are you? You will use this word here, Shiv. So Cajimar Atashiv, Conasatashiv, and Ken He a Will Shiv. In answering, how are you? You will answer usually in the positive. So we got Tommy Gamoy, I am well, I am good, Tommy Gamoy. And Tommy Gabra, I am fine, Tommy Ga Bra, Tommy Ga Moy. For more than one person, you would use we are good, we are fine. So that word is mwij or shin. So Tá mwij gamoy, which is mostly Ulster, that. And shin in other parts of Ireland, Tá shin gamoy, Tá shin gama. Ma here is pronounced differently. Ma, moy, mai in different parts of Ireland. So Tommy gamoy, Tá mwij gamoy, Tá shin gamoy. Or gama, Tá shin gama. Tommy gabra, Tá mwij gabra, Tá shin gabra. And usually after that, the answer, they ask how you are and you say how you are, you will respond with a thank you, which is this really long phrase, which isn't nearly as hard to say as it's spelt, which is gura. This bit's said gura. You can go ga, ro, ma, hugget. Gura is the fast way to do it. Gura, ma or moi, hugget. So gura moiget is thank you. So Tommy gamoy, Gurramoiget. Most of this pronunciation is Ulster because I'm an Ulster Irish speaker myself. So Tommy Gamoy, Gurramoiget. And Gurramoiget for listening to this video, this wee lesson. And I'll leave you with goodbye, which is this word here, slan or slán. So Gurramoiget, slán.